Hello students. So let's revise chapter number 6, price elasticity of demand. Now first of all let us understand what is elasticity of demand. So students, we know that when there is a change in price of a product, demand also responds to this price. So demand may respond more. For example, let's say there is 5% reduction in price and demand has increased by 10%. So demand ने ज़्यादा response दिया है. So it is called elastic demand because there is more responsiveness. So in simple words, elasticity is the degree of responsiveness of demand. Okay. So अगर डिमांड ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्ड करती है देन वी कॉल इट एज इलास्टिक डिमांड, और अगर डिमांड कम रिस्पॉन्स देती है देन वी कॉल इट एज इन इलास्टिक डिमांड. सो let's recall the basic concept. So what is elasticity? Elasticity is the measure of responsiveness of demand. अब ये आपको मैं बताता हूँ what is price elasticity. Elasticity is of different types, but here we have price elasticity. So price elasticity is the degree of or measure of responsiveness of demand to the change in own price of a product. So then it becomes price elasticity. Okay. So look here. So price elasticity is the measure of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a product towards the change in its own price. Then it becomes price elasticity. There is the concept of income elasticity which is not there in the syllabus. But क्या होगा if we are measuring the responsiveness of demand towards the change in income, then it becomes income elasticity. Suppose if we measure degree of responsiveness of demand to the change in price of related goods, either substitutes or complementary goods, then it becomes cross elasticity. So our chapter focuses on price elasticity. So price elasticity will establish quantitative, means numerical relationship between the price and the demand and quantity demanded. So what is the formula to find price elasticity of demand? Now Mr. Marshall, Professor Marshall, in his book Principles of Economics introduced this concept, discussed this concept for the first time, and it is very important in practical life. So what Marshall uncle says that elasticity can be measured by percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Okay. Now here you are able to see negative sign is mentioned because there is inverse relationship between the price and quantity demanded. Price बढ़ेगा तो demand कम होगी, hence you need to express this inverse relationship using the negative sign. So percentage change in quantity demanded कैसे find होगा? Obviously to find percentage you need to multiply with 100, and percentage change in quantity demanded means new quantity minus old quantity upon old quantity into 100. How to measure percentage change in price? New price minus old price divided by old price into 100, and new price minus new old price, this is called change in price. It is denoted by delta P. This triangle is for delta. Delta represents the change. And new quantity minus old quantity is delta Q. Okay, change in quantity. So in mathematics, we know that first and fourth gets multiplied in numerator. So in numerator, what do we have? Original price upon original quantity into change in quantity upon change in price. Be careful, original price upon original quantity into change in quantity upon change in price. So this will give you the value of elasticity. Now sometimes we are given the slope. Slope is change in y-axis upon change in x-axis. In diagram on y-axis we represent price. So change in price upon change in quantity is slope. Okay, but here in the formula we require change in quantity upon change in price. So if slope is given, then we need to multiply original price upon original quantity with 1 by slope. This will give us the value of elasticity. So I hope you are clear about different ways to calculate the elasticity. Okay, so if you are given percentage change, okay, then use first formula. If you are given old and new price and quantity, then use this formula. Okay, and suppose if you are given the slope and the original price and quantity, then you can use this third one. So here we have first formula, then we have second formula and third formula. These are derived logically. Acha, why price elasticity is negative? Already I have told you, it is due to inverse relationship between the price and demand. Price elasticity is a unit free value, it's a pure number. Okay, so your quantity may be liter, okay, or in meter, elasticity value will remain the same. And higher the value of elasticity, it will indicate higher responsiveness of demand. Now types of price elasticity. Now there are basically 5 types of price elasticity. Out of these, 2 extreme cases are theoretical in nature. Generally it is not observed in practical life. uh, but theoretically, if demand is not at all responding, okay, demand में कोई फर्क नहीं है, price में कोई भी change हो, then it is called perfectly inelastic demand. There is absolutely no change in the demand. So here in this case demand curve will be vertical. It means कोई भी change हो price में, there is absolutely no change in the quantity demanded. So this situation of perfectly inelastic demand tells you that there is absolutely no response by the demand. So degree of responsiveness or the value of elasticity will be 0. So it is a vertical demand curve and slope of vertical line is infinite. Please note, slope of y-axis is infinite and slope of x-axis is 0. So here डिमांड कर्व इज पैरेलल टू वाई एक्सिस, इसलिए इसका जो स्लोप है दैट इज इनफाइनाइट. स्लोप ऑफ वाई एक्सिस इज इनफाइनाइट, सो हियर डिमांड कर्व हैज इनफाइनाइट स्लोप. नाउ व्हाट दिस इंडिकेट्स, एनी चेंज इन प्राइस will lead to no change in demand. Second theoretical situation that we have is perfectly elastic demand. Here demand curve is exactly horizontal, perfectly horizontal. It means that there is absolutely no limit as to the demand. Okay, stock खत्म हो जाएगा तब तक डिमांड है, डिमांड इज इनफाइनाइट. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल 50,000 का मोबाइल फ़ोन 40,000 में कुछ टाइम तक, कुछ मिनट्स तक अगर फ्लैश सेल्स में अवेलेबल है, देन हाउ विल पीपल रिस्पॉन्ड? सो दे विल ऑर्डर लाइक एनीथिंग, ऑल द स्टॉक विल गेट्स finished. So perfectly elastic demand means very high demand is there. Okay, so horizontal demand curve is there. Since it is parallel to x-axis, so demand curve is having the slope is 0 and value of elasticity is infinite. बहुत बड़ी demand है. Okay, it cannot be expressed in numbers. It's a very large value. And theoretically यहाँ पर ऐसा है कि demand infinite है, but slight increase in price will result in zero demand. नाउ रियल लाइफ में हमारे पास 3 टाइप की इलास्टिसिटीज होती है. ओके, एंड आउट ऑफ दिस हाईली इन इलास्टिक डिमांड या फिर मोर इन इलास्टिक डिमांड. ओके, सो when we use the word inelastic, it means there is less response by the demand. So here demand curve will be steeper. As you can see, ये vertical नहीं है but ये steeper है. Okay, slope is very high, steeper demand curve is there, and here you can see price में काफ़ी ज़्यादा change है but in demand there is only small change. So there is response, price गिरा demand बढ़ी but price बहुत ज़्यादा गिरा, demand बहुत कम increase हुई. So here we have steeper demand curve. Elasticity की value in this case will be lower than 1. बिकॉज परसेंटेज चेंज हमारा फॉर्मूला था परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी अपॉन परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस. अब परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी ही कम है, न्यूमरेटर कम है, डिनोमिनेटर परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस ज़्यादा है, सो वैल्यू विल बी लेस देन 1. अब ये कौन से टाइप के प्रोडक्ट्स में जनरली ऑब्जर्व होता है? सो जनरली लेट्स से नेसेसिटीज, सोल्ट, मेडिसिन, इन सच केसेस वी हैव इन इलास्टिक डिमांड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट real life situation which is possible, that is highly elastic demand or more elastic demand. Okay, more elastic या less inelastic बोलो, बात एक ही है. So here demand curve is flatter. It is not horizontal, but it is flatter. And here you can see, due to this flatter demand curve, slight change in price will result to more change in quantity demanded. So here we can say that कि डिमांड ने ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्स दिया, प्राइस तो थोड़ा सा कम हुआ बट डिमांड बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. ओके, सो here flatter curve is there, percentage change in quantity demanded ज़्यादा है, numerator is more, hence value of elasticity is greater than 1. And it is possible generally in case of luxuries and comfort items. Okay, now देखो luxury में भी it is possible, for example Apple iPhone. Okay, and suppose price is reducing, then people will respond more. Okay, some people will try to see that okay, now they can afford this and they will buy more, so there will be more response. So in case of luxuries as well as in case of comforts, okay, it demand can be postponed, so we have highly elastic demand. Now unitary elastic demand, theoretically when percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price both are same, yani here you can see demand curve is rectangular hyperbola. Okay, so why the name is rectangular hyperbola, because ये rectangular hyperbola curve के नीचे जो आप क्या है ये rectangle देख सकते हो. So these rectangles, there are two rectangles. Okay, these both rectangles have the same area. So here as you can see कि price में जितना change है almost उतना ही quantity demanded में change है. ओके, 5% प्राइस गिरा, 5% डिमांड बढ़ गई. सो इट इज़ द केस ऑफ यूनिटरी इलास्टिक डिमांड. देयर इज इक्वल रिस्पॉन्स, न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर बोथ आर सेम, हैंस वैल्यू ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी विल बी व्हाट, 1. ओके, सो in Sandeep Garg they have given two examples, scooter, refrigerator. Okay, but you know it may not be always true. Okay, now factors affecting price elasticity of demand. There are few factors. कोई भी product की demand elastic या inelastic होगी depends on various factors, various criterias. तो first criteria is the nature of commodity. If the item is necessity, buy करना ही है, medicine, vegetables, fruits, okay, food grains, so demand will be inelastic. Okay, means ज़्यादा price भी अगर उसका क्या है हो गया, there is more change in price, then also you will have to consume it, you don't have option. So demand will respond less, it means we have inelastic demand. And in case of luxury and comfort item, I told you okay, people will respond, people can wait, they will buy when price will drop. So in case of luxury and comfort also we have more elastic demand. Okay, because we can postpone its consumption. Income level, rich people don't care much about the change in prices, they can buy even at the higher prices. So for rich people we have inelastic demand. Okay, they generally don't respond much to the change in price. But in case of poor people, they are very price cautious, and hence their demand will respond more. Price बढ़ गया, बेचारे कम लेंगे. Okay, they will respond to the change in price. So poor people के लिए demand is generally elastic. Okay, now here we have next, number of buyers. Number of uses. Suppose there are few items which have multiple uses, बहुत सारे uses है. Please note, जितने uses बढ़ेंगे उतनी elasticity बढ़ेगी. Okay, so suppose you have more uses, so demand will become elastic. So in other words, let's say for example milk सस्ता हो गया, तो we can prepare so many items which can be made up of milk. ओके, सो मिल्क का प्राइस लेट से 5 रुपीज़ लीटर कम हुआ, लेकिन हम उसका कंजम्पशन बहुत बढ़ा देंगे बिकॉज वी कैन मेक सो मेनी यूसेस. हर यूसेस में क्वांटिटी बढ़ेगी तो ओवरऑल क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा बढ़ेगी. सो वी हैव इलास्टिक डिमांड. सो इफ वी हैव मल्टीपल यूसेस, देन इलास्टिसिटी की वैल्यू विल बी मोर. सो देयर एक डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन नंबर ऑफ यूजेस एंड वैल्यू ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी. नंबर ऑफ यूजेस बढ़ेगा, इलास्टिसिटी की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी. नंबर ऑफ यूजेस कम होगा, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल सिंगल यूज या लेस यूज है, तो इलास्टिसिटी की वैल्यू भी कम होगी, बिकॉज इन दिस केस वी विल हैव इन इलास्टिक डिमांड. ओके, postponement or urgency. Suppose you need to buy something urgently, then inelastic demand you will have to buy. Okay, whether price is high or low, you will have to buy. So you will buy even at higher prices, you will not respond to change in price, so demand is inelastic. Suppose there is no urgency for you to buy. Okay, for example, let's say you are planning to buy the laptop, already एक पुराना laptop है, तो you can wait. Okay, you can postpone your consumption. So अगर कोई आइटम अर्जेंट नहीं है बाय करनी, तो इन दिस केस डिमांड विल बी इलास्टिक. ओके, यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू द चेंज इन प्राइस. अगर प्राइस अभी कम है बाय कर लोगे, यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड. अदरवाइज यू कैन वेट, ज़्यादा है तो नहीं लोगे, सो यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू द चेंज इन प्राइस. टाइम पीरियड ये ऊपर वाले पॉइंट की तरह ही है. इन शॉर्ट टर्म, ओके, डिमांड इज इन इलास्टिक, but if you have long term, then demand is elastic. Okay, so कोई भी चीज़ में अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा टाइम है, ओके, तो यू कैन वेट, यू कैन रिस्पॉन्ड, यू कैन वेट फॉर परफेक्ट मोमेंट एंड यू कैन बाय एट द राइट टाइम, सो यू विल रिस्पॉन्ड टू द प्राइस. Habit, suppose if you are addicted, there are many drunkards, okay, they are addicted to something, so they will buy those goods even at higher prices. So if you are addicted to something, then your demand will be inelastic. And suppose you are not addicted, सस्ता है तो लेंगे, otherwise नहीं लेंगे, so you will respond to the change in price. Okay, now proportion of the budget or the share in total expenditure. Suppose out of your family budget, if that item is costing only small percentage of your total budget, then you will don't care much about the change in price. आप रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करोगे, और डिमांड विल बी इन इलास्टिक. लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल यू वांट टू बाय बॉल पेन और स्टेशनरी. ओके, सस्ती आइटम है, भले महंगी होगी, उसका प्राइस थोड़ा बढ़ेगा, यू विल बाय इन द सेम क्वांटिटी. बट सपोज दैट आइटम इज गोइंग टू टेक अवे लार्ज प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ योर बजट, देन यू विल हैव टू रिस्पॉन्ड. ओके, टीवी, फ्रिज, सोफा लेना है, तो it will take away heavy part out of your budget, and hence your demand will be elastic. You will buy at the proper time. I hope you are able to understand why this Amazon, okay, Flipkart, all these people are having some sales during festive season, because they know the psychology of people. Okay, now next we have price level. It is related to this. If items are cheaper, then we don't care much about those items, so our demand is inelastic. And if costlier items are there, we respond much, so demand is elastic. And availability of substitutes. If substitutes are available in the market, okay, then you need to be careful about the prices. If you increase the price of your product, then people will switch away from your product and they will switch to the other product. Demand गिर जाएगी. It means that people will respond because they have the option, so demand will be elastic. Okay, but suppose no substitute is available, wheat, rice, petrol, no substitute is available, though demand will be inelastic, people have to buy. Now let me share with you the basic numerical, how do we solve the problem, so that you get some basic idea about how to solve the questions, especially numerical ones. Look here, here it is given that के initial price, starting में price था 4, तो initial price is P0 and the initial demand was 1 cup. Initial demand means Q0. If the price of the ice cream falls to, देखो 2 के बाद जो होता है, this is the new price. अगर ऐसा दिया होता कि falls by ₹1, फॉल्स बाय ₹1, यानी ओरिजिनल 4 था, अब 1 रुपीज़ कम होगा, तो न्यू प्राइस विल बी 3. सो बी केयरफुल. ओके, फॉल्स टू ₹2, तो दिस इज द न्यू प्राइस. एंड डिमांड इंक्रीजेस टू 4 cups, so this is new demand Q1. And we need to apply this basic formula when we have information about old and new price and quantity. So what is our formula? Original price upon original quantity. As you can see, 4 divided by 1 into change in price. What is change in price? Okay, 2. So change in price denominator में हम लिखेंगे 2 and numerator में we have change in quantity. So 1 in 4. Now please note you need to take absolute difference. Okay, ये सभी वैल्यूज आपको पॉजिटिव ही लेनी है. ओके, सभी वैल्यूज पॉजिटिव लेनी है और जो भी वैल्यू होगी अल्टीमेटली यू नीड टू पुट माइनस साइन बिकॉज देयर इज इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप. सो डोंट वरी अबाउट द साइन. ओके, सो टेक द एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस. तो ओरिजिनल प्राइस अपॉन ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी इनटू चेंज इन क्वांटिटी which is 3 upon change in price which is 2, and this will give you the elasticity. And if elasticity is more than 1 means unity, more than 1 means greater than unity. So here we have elastic demand. Okay, so elasticity is greater, yeah, it is elastic demand. Less than 1 है तो it is inelastic demand. Equal to 1 है तो it is unitary elastic demand. एंड जब मैं कंपेयर करता हूँ विथ 1 देन डोंट कंसिडर दिस माइनस साइन. ओके, यू विल से सर ये तो -6 है. सो यू आर सेइंग -6 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. सो प्लीज नोट हियर माइनस साइन इज जस्ट फॉर द रेफरेंस. ओके, इट इज जस्ट टू इंडिकेट नेगेटिव और इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप. सो आपको प्योर नंबर 6 1 के साथ कंपेयर करना है. हेंस आई कैन से दैट 6 इज ग्रेटर देन 1. So here elasticity is greater than unity or elastic demand. So I hope you are clear about similar example we have. Okay, and please note sometimes in the question they don't give all the values. Suppose they give change in price, that's fine. Sometimes they give elasticity and out of these 4 values they give 3 values, that's fine. Okay, concept remains the same. And sometimes they give percentage change in quantity demanded, and denominator में they have given the values. Okay, like old price new price. So आपको खुद percentage change in price निकालना पड़ेगा. Okay, so basic concept remains the same in elasticity. So let's have a recap. In elasticity you need to be clear about this concept: percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. Okay, and another way is original price upon original quantity into change in price upon into change in quantity upon change in price. And what is the third way? Third way is original price upon original quantity into 1 upon slope. So I hope you are clear about this chapter. ओके, चलिए बाय बाय.